Hello students, have a wonderful morning to all. Welcome back to the session of virtual classes. I am Sabita Srivastav, your math teacher. Students, I hope आपने सेकेंड टर्म की स्टडी शुरू कर दी है एंड एवरी डे यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क इन न्यू कॉपी दैट इज़ गुड. अगर कुछ बच्चे प्रीवियस कॉपी में काम कर रहे हैं, अगर उनकी कॉपी अभी नहीं भरी है, तो बिफोर डूइंग योर वर्क ऑफ सेकेंड टर्म एक पेज पर सेकेंड टर्म मेंशन करिए, जिससे आपको याद रहेगा कि कौन से चैप्टर सेकेंड टर्म में आने वाले हैं, कहाँ से सिलेबस शुरू होगा सेकेंड टर्म का. सो टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन तक ऑलरेडी हम कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. We have to arrange given fractions in ascending and descending order. First question is arrange the given fractions in ascending and descending. First question in ascending order. We have to arrange all fractions in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. You can see here 3 by 4, 7 by 12, 5 by 18, 5 by 6. You can see denominators are different. So these are the unlike fractions. Why they are unlike fractions? Because denominators are not same, as well as denominator not same, as well as numerator also not same. Numerators and denominators are different. It means what is to do? How to arrange in ascending order? For arranging in ascending order, we have to convert, or we have to make like denominator or like फ्रैक्शन. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस कौन से होते हैं? जिनके डिनोमीटर सेम होते हैं. डिनोमीटर सेम बनाने हैं. एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, हाउ टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर सेम, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. वी हैव टू टेक एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स आर 4, 12, 18, 6. we have to take LCM of these number. We are taking LCM by the division method. We have to find the common factor of all these number. 2 is common factor of all number. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. Now find out the common factor of these number. We can divide by the 2. We can also divide by the 3. If we will divide by 3, we can divide 6, 9 and 3. So we are dividing by the 3. 2 remains same. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And these are the undivided number. आप इनको एक बार करके देख लीजिए या लास्ट में मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 remains same, and then 1. Now divide by the 3. 1 1 1 1. Now find the LCM. 2 2 3 2 3. 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 3. आप इनको 2 2 को आगे भी लिख सकते हैं. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So we are starting how to multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So LCM is 36. Now we will convert into like fraction or like denominator. How? Take the first fraction. First fraction is 3 by 4. And LCM was 36. LCM is 36. Now by which we have to multiply both of the number. By which we will multiply 4 for getting 36. We will multiply 4 by the 9. When we multiply 4 by 9, we will get 36. So 3 also to be multiplied by the 9. Now 9 3s are 27. 4 9s are 36. 3 9s are 27. Now next fraction 7 by 12. LCM सेम रहेगा एवरी टाइम 36. by which we will multiply 12 for getting 36. we have to multiply 12 by 3. So both numbers to multiply by the 3. 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36. 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21. Take the next fraction, 5 by 18. LCM same 36 again, by which we will multiply 18 for getting 36, 2. So 5 also to be multiplied by the 2. 18 2s are 36, 5 2s are 10. 10 by 36. Next number, next fraction is 5 by 6. Now LCM was 36, by which we will multiply 6 for getting 36, 6. So 5 also to be multiplied by the 6. 5 6 are 30 and 6 6 are 36. Now you can see these are the like fractions और same denominator. Denominator same बन गए. अब आप इनको compare कर सकते हैं. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. जब आपको पता है denominator same है, we have to arrange on the basis of denominator. So smallest denominator is 10. So first one is 10 by 36. After that 10 के बाद 21 by 36. Then next one 27 by 36. Then next one or last one 30 by the 36. Now we are arranging according to the जो हमने change करके किया है, लेकिन we have to write fraction related to given number. जो actual fraction है उसको arrange करना है. 10 by 36 किसको relate करता है? 5 by 18 को. 21 by 36 7 by 12. 27 by 36 3 by 4. And 30 by 36 5 by 6. So in this way we can arrange numbers in ascending order. We can arrange fractions in ascending order. Firstly we have to convert into like fractions or same denominator. Later on we have to arrange in ascending order. This one, next part of the question, same as the earlier one. Numerator and denominators are different, so we have to take LCM of denominator. Denominator 4 12 6 9, by which we can divide by 2 as well as by the 3. So firstly we are dividing by the 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 9 remains same. 9 को हम divide नहीं कर सकते. Now again we are dividing by the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 remains same, 9 remains same. Now we will divide by the 3. 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and then by the 3 1 1 1 and then 1. Now we will find LCM. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Again we are getting 36. Now again we have to arrange and we have to convert into like fractions or like same denominator. How? Take the first fraction 3 by 4. Denominator is 36, by which we will multiply 4 for getting 36, 9. So 3 also to be multiplied by the 9. 9 3s are 27. 4 9s are 36. Next one is 5 by 12 and LCM was 36, by which we will multiply 12 for getting 36, 3. So 5 also to be multiplied by the 3. 5 3s are 15. Next one 1 by 6. LCM 36. 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें? 6 से. तो 1 को भी 6 से. 6 1s are 6. 6 by 36. Last one 7 by 9. LCM 36, by which we will multiply 9 for getting 36, 4. So 7 also to be multiplied by the 4. 7 4 ज़ा 28. 27 by 36, 15, this is 3. 15 by 36, 6 by 36, 28 by the 36. These are the like fractions. Like fractions कौन सी होती हैं? जिनके डिनोमीटर सेम होते हैं. These are the like fractions. Now we can compare on the basis of numerator. Denominator same है लेकिन numerator different है. So we have to arrange in ascending order. We'll start from the smallest one, 6 by 36. Then after that 15 by 36. Then after that 27 by 36. Then last one 28 by 36. ये हमने अरेंज किए जो नंबर्स, जो फ्रैक्शंस हमने फाइंड आउट किए थे. नाउ वी हैव टू अरेंज डिजिट. वी हैव टू अरेंज फ्रैक्शन गिवन इन क्वेश्चन. सो 6 by 36 किसको रिलेट करता है? 1 by 6 को. देन आफ्टर दैट 15 by 36 किसको रिलेट करता है? 5 by 12. 27 by 36 रिलेटेड बाय 3 by 4. And 28 36 7 by 9. Now we are arranging these fractions in ascending order. Now I will tell you how to arrange fractions in descending order. These are very easy. Already we already done. अभी हमने किया हुआ है क्योंकि already in previous question हम लोगों ने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया था. दिस टाइम वी हैव टू अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. दिस इज सेम एज द प्रीवियस वन, ओनली जब हम उनको अरेंज करेंगे दैट टाइम वी हैव टू अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगेस्ट टू द स्मॉलेस्ट और आगे वाला प्रोसेस सेम ही रहेगा. नाउ 7 14 21 42. दीज आर द अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस. वाई दे आर अनलाइक? बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट. So firstly we have to convert into like fraction or same denominator. We have to take, for this we have to take LCM of denominator. 7 14, this is 21 21 and 42. Firstly we have to find LCM of denominators by which we can divide. We can divide by the 7 because 7 is common factor of all. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 and 7 6 are 42. Now we can divide by the 2. 2 is common factor of 2 and 6. 3 remains same. So 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 remains same and 2 3s are 6. Now we will divide by the 3. 1 1 1 and 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now we have to find LCM. 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 multiply 2 is equal to 42. अगर आपको नहीं आता आप रवा करके देखिए. 7 3s are 21. 21 multiply 2 is equal to 42. Now we have to convert into like fractions. How to convert? Take the first fraction 2 by 7. LCM 42. By which we will multiply 7 by the 42. We have to multiply 6. So 2 also to be multiplied by the 6, we will get 12 by the 42. Second fraction 5 by 14 and LCM 42 by which we will multiply 14 for getting 42. We will multiply 14 by the 3. So also 5 also to be multiplied by 3, we will get 15. 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. 14 multiply 3 is equal to 42. Last fraction is 11 by the 42. LCM 42 by which we will multiply 42 for getting 42. We will multiply by the 1. When we multiply a number by 1 we will get same number. So 11, क्योंकि हम 42 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we will get 42. 11 को भी 1 से करेंगे 11 1s are 11. 11 by the 42. Now 1 2 3. One fraction is left. 2 by 7, 5 by 14, 8 by 21 is left. So I am doing रहता है. I am doing here. We are doing here. Last year रह गया था. I am doing here 8 by 21 and LCM 42, by which we will multiply 21 for getting 42, 2. So 8 also to be multiplied by the 2. 8 2s are 16. First fraction 2y7, second 5y14, third 8y21, and fourth 11y42. Now we have to arrange all these fractions in descending order. You can see now these are like fractions: 12y14, 12y42, 15y42, 11y42, 16y42. These are the like fractions. Why they are like? Because denominators are same. Now we have to arrange these fractions in descending order. Descending means we have to start from the biggest. So biggest is, this is 12, this is 15, this is 11, this is 16. So biggest number will be 16 by the 42. Then now this time we will use this sign because this is the greater. Next fraction will be 16 by the, this is the 16 by 42. Now 15 by the 42. Next 12 by the 42. Then last 11 by the 42. ये वो फ्रैक्शन है जिनको हमने लाइक फ्रैक्शन में चेंज किया है. नाउ वी हैव टू अरेंज डिजिट. वी हैव टू अरेंज फ्रैक्शन गिवन इन डिजिट्स. सो 16y42 किसको रिलेट करता है? 8y21. देन 15y42, 5y14. 15y42, 5y14. Then 12y42, 2y7. Then 11y42, 11y42. One more time. Firstly we have to take LCM. LCM is 42. Now we have to convert into like fraction. Like fractions कैसे करते हैं? 2y7. First fraction is 2y7. LCM was 42. 7 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 42 आ जाए. We will multiply by the 6. 7 6 are 42. 2 also to be multiplied by the 6. 6 2s are 12. Next fraction 5y14. LCM 42, by which we will multiply 14 for getting 42. We will multiply by the 3. So 5 also to be multiplied by the 3. 14 multiply 3, 42. 5 multiply 3, 15. Next fraction is 8 by 21. LCM 42. 21 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 42 आ जाए. We will multiply by the 2. 21 multiply 2 is equal to 42. 8 also to be multiplied by the 2, we will get 16. 16 by 42. And last fraction is 11 by 42, by which we will multiply 42 for getting 42. This is the LCM. We will multiply 42 by the 1, we will get 42. 11 also to be multiplied by the 1, we will get 11 by 42. Firstly we will arrange जो हमने डिजिट चेंज किए हैं, जो हमने लाइक फ्रैक्शंस we already converted into like fractions. So firstly we are arranging on the basis of numerator. उसके बाद we have to arrange fractions given in digit. So in this way we can arrange fractions in descending and ascending order.